Hello, beautiful soul. For the next few minutes, release fear, release scarcity, release the old stories that taught you to feel guilty for wanting more. Because money is not evil, money is not shameful, and abundance is not reserved for a chosen one. Today, we are reprogramming your relationship with money, not with desperation, not with luck, but with worthiness. You can listen to these positive brainwashing affirmations while you're meditating, while you're walking, while you're getting ready, or when you just need a little reminder that you deserve all the money in the world. So breathe, relax your body, and allow these words to settle into your mind. Repeat after me or simply listen. Your subconscious is listening, and today we are choosing abundance. I am open to receiving abundance. I welcome prosperity into my life. I release scarcity. I release fear around money. I release the belief that I must struggle to deserve more. Money is not my enemy. Money is a tool. And I am learning to work with it wisely and confidently. I deserve financial peace. I deserve financial stability. I deserve overflow. I deserve comfort. I deserve opportunities that support my dreams. I'm no longer feeling guilty for wanting abundance. I no longer feel shame myself for desiring more. Wanting a better life is not greed. It is human. I'm worthy of being supported. I'm worthy of receiving. I allow abundance to enter my life. Money flows towards me through aligned efforts and opportunities. I trust myself with wealth. I trust myself with responsibility. I trust myself to grow financially. I release limiting beliefs around money. I release the belief that wealth belongs only to others. There is room for my success too. There is room for my abundance too. I deserve to be paid fairly. I deserve to be valued. I deserve to be compensated for my time, my gifts, and my work. My value is real. My contributions matter. My skills matter. My energy matters. I attract opportunities that align with my growth. I attract supportive possibilities. I attract new doors and new blessings. Money supports my freedom. Money supports my peace. Money supports the life I am building. I no longer fear wealth. I learn, I grow, and I become wiser with money every day. I choose an abundance mindset. I choose possibility over limitation. I choose trust over scarcity. I stop speaking lack over my life. I stop expecting struggle. I stop assuming that hardship is my destiny. I am allowed to thrive. I am allowed to succeed. I am allowed to receive more. Money needs responsible hands. Money needs purpose. Money needs movement. And I am becoming someone who welcomes and handles abundance with wisdom. I get paid for my effort. I get paid for my creativity. I get paid for the value I bring. I'm worthy of financial blessings. I'm worthy of overflow. I'm worthy of ease alongside effort. chase from desperation. I attract through belief, growth, and aligned action. I trust that opportunities are finding me. I trust that my work has value. I trust that abundance can exist in my life. Money is not distant from me. Prosperity is not impossible for me. I am expanding. I am growing. And I am becoming more financially confident every day. I release survival mode. I welcome overflow. I welcome support. I welcome abundance. Every day, I strengthen my relationship with money. Every day, I become more open to receiving. Every day, I believe in my ability to create a prosperous life. I'm worthy. I'm capable. And abundance belongs in my story too. That's it, my love. Take a deep breath and remember this. You do not need to feel guilty for wanting a life with peace, comfort, and abundance. Money does not define your worth, but you are allowed to welcome more of it into your life. Repeat these words often and allow yourself to release fear, receive with gratitude, and grow with confidence. Abundance is not something you beg for, it's something you become open to. See you in the next one. Love, love, XOXO.